In the 4th century BC, Herodot the Greeks reported that Egypt is the gift of the Nile. But we should mention the founder of such great human civilization on earth, the Egyptians, to complete the triangle of life, of time, the place, and the character. And now, after 5,409 years, a group of young Egyptians joined together between June and October 2019 for one focus: to change the life by releasing their personal genius, their social genius, for more sustainability based on their own cultural heritage. All of this led by Professor Alexander Schieffer, a German expert, lives in France, who got passion to have an interactive education approach to embrace humanity for their social transformation, to absorb the concept of change for better life. With his genius model, the Egyptian youth started to write and to show their own ideal solutions, which were filtered to include culture and heritage, education, environment, women and children rights, which already touch the main challenges of the Egyptian society. The core of the genius model is connected with me and the people surrounding me, my family, friends, and the whole people interested in that, where both of them are showing I and showing us together. It is connected with their cultural backgrounds and lifestyle. The grounding stage connected with research and watching the daily life of people and providing for them the knowledge that their life is very precious, with a lot of elements of civilization, culture, and heritage. The emerging stage connected with a dialogue, an open dialogue between I and us, where all people can express what they want to do, whether it is positive or negative, where they can listen and talk to make brainstorming to find creative solutions for a real community development. And about the navigating, it is a kind of filtration of ideas, where they can reform these ideas into a clear prototypes of services, productions, or valuable awareness campaigns. The effecting would be the big dream which will come true by reaching the goal and finding new ways to reach the people and telling them about the value of what they have, where they can be a kind of a big fund can give them a big profit, which can also give a very sustainable approach for their future, for themselves and for the new generation living with us in the same place. As we are all from here, we know the problems, and we do our best to find smart and creative solutions. We all share knowledge, we all learn from here and there, from I and us, not just in Egypt, but also in India, Mexico, Zimbabwe, Germany, and Russia, and many other places, many other times, and many other people, within an intercultural diversity dialogue and process of transformation. The created group between June and October 2019 chose the name of the Egyptian Gene-ius Innovation Community to be an open umbrella for all Egyptians and other nationalities to be part of that, or to support for social innovation with your experience and dynamic interaction, to join the Egyptian Gene-ius Innovation Community, where they can have solutions for better life. The 2 parts journey of the Genius Workshop were managed to be in Goethe Institut venue in downtown Cairo and Doki.